Did you know? Hello, I'm Lisa Hamill, the Assistant Director of Special Education for Putnam Northern Westchester BOCES. In order to prepare for the transition to adult life and paid employment, many of our students from our Pines Bridge, Walden, and local school building programs are now participating in our Practical Assessment Exploration System PAES program located in the Vocational Center of our Life Skills Apartment on the main campus. The PAES program provides hands-on experiences as well as vocational assessment, which is the most important piece, in 5 work areas: in business marketing, consumer services, construction industrial, computer technology, and processing and production. In the lab, students can get paid using our money management system to explore hundreds of entry-level job experiences that begin simply and increase in complexity and duration. In the PAES lab, they not only participate in the simulated work environment, but they learn the soft skills required for job success that are so important, especially appropriate work behaviors, how to follow work procedures, how to complete tasks independently or as independently as possible, and how to problem solve through a task. Our objective is to gather data that assesses our students' abilities to complete different kinds of tasks independently, and also to gather data on what kinds of tasks they would enjoy. Because when we look at internships or paid job opportunities for our students, we want to make sure that it matches the vocational assessment that we've done here. We've been amazed at how much our students can accomplish successfully and independently, and what they enjoy. It's really broadened their scope of what could be enjoyable employment. Now you know.
Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.